I'm going to tell you how to get parents to click on and watch your intro video, and I'm going to tell you right now. How's it going? My name is Erin, and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about all things VIP Kid, I encourage you to click subscribe so you do not miss a thing. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about how to get parents to click on your intro video so that they can actually see you in the classroom. Now, before I do that, what I want you to do is I want you to get on your phone or your computer and go find the place where you uploaded your intro video, and I want you to look and see what your thumbnail picture is. Your thumbnail picture is the freeze frame picture of your video, and it is what the parent is going to see first. So go ahead, go look. I'll wait. What do you think of it? Is it like boring? Or is it like super weird? Is your mouth like, eh? A lot of times your thumbnail is not always the best thing that you might want your parents to see. And I'm going to give you a tip of how to make sure that your thumbnail is better than what it is now. Now, if you're going like this and you're just in the middle of a sentence, I can't help that. I want to give a tip on how to make that thumbnail picture clickbait for your parents to watch the video. So here's the suggestion. Are you ready? If you look at your thumbnail pic and you figure out about the time that they chose your thumbnail picture, you will find that it is somewhere in the first 10 seconds. More than likely, probably somewhere between 3 and 7 seconds. Now, if you know close to when they're going to choose that thumbnail pic, that is the opportunity at the very, very beginning of the video. That is your opportunity to do something different. Now, how many pictures do you think parents are going to be flipping through and all it is just a teacher in the classroom? Their background is behind them and they're just sitting there and talking. Now, that's not bad, but when you're trying to think about something unique for the parents to be able to see, you might want to do something different. So what I do differently is I go outside. When my thumbnail picture is chosen, it is a picture of me outside. And I just think the parents are like, that's something different. Let me click on that. So you want to make sure that your thumbnail picture is clickbait. Now I know that that's something that you don't want to hear. Everyone hates clickbait on the internet, but you are somebody that you want them to see your content, so you want to be clickbait for yourself. So my tip for you today is make your first 10 seconds of your video something different. I would suggest something out of the classroom, but if you want to do something silly like wearing a big funny hat or putting something on your face, whatever that is, do something different for your first 10 seconds, and it will make your video much more attractive to parents that all they do is see the same type of video over and over and over. I'm going to share my video, what my intro video is. I've been working with VIPKid for 1 year and I've changed my intro video 3 times. So I'm going to show you my most recent one. I hope you enjoy. Hi, I'm teacher Erin and I am swinging on a swing. Do you want to swing with me? Let's go. That was fun. Now let's swing into my classroom. Ready, set, go. I made it. Welcome to my class. Will see you in my classroom. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope my tip was helpful. I hope my intro video was helpful. I'm going to have some other intro video tips at the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope that you do something that makes you happy today. Goodbye.